Eat this soup to improve your thyroid function, improve your white blood cell activity, especially your lymphocytes and the cells that help to identify abnormal cancer cells. The name of the soup I want you to eat is called broccoli soup. Get broccoli, one bunch of broccoli, then chop it into small cubes with a stem. Get red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, onions, tomatoes, and then a little protein and a tablespoon of olive oil. Assemble all ingredients into a pot, stainless pot with water. Make sure that it doesn't dry. Enough water. It's a soup you want to take with the protein of choice, particularly fish. Use any type of fish you can get. Then boil your fish first, then you assemble all this into the pot and allow it to boil for 5 minutes, seasoning it as needed. Drink this soup every evening or as breakfast every day by itself. Don't add bread or anything, just drink it. Drink it for 1 week straight and stop. This soup is very fantastic, loaded with a lot of nutrients. Broccoli has a lot of benefits. Watch out for the review on the plant broccoli. Do this soup, eat it, and send me your feedback. And if you're having digestive problems, hey, eat this soup. You'll find out that it will help reset your stomach. I'll see you tomorrow as I talk more about how to care for your health. Bye.